Have you ever wondered how to add something a little extra to your heat transfer vinyl products? Have I got the product for you. Foam HTV. What makes Foam HTV special is that when it's pressed, it creates a three-dimensional effect on your shirt. A puffy or a chubby look of the HTV. It's really simple to use. Simply cut and weed just like you would any regular heat transfer vinyl. Then when we go to press it on the shirt, we want to use a lower pressure to allow for expansion and a shorter press time, only 6 seconds in my heat press for foam heat transfer vinyl. One of the things that makes Firefly Craft Foam HTV special is that it comes with the carrier sheet already attached. You don't have to transfer it, you don't have to worry about finding special heat resistant tape. It's already built in. Simply cut it and weed it, you're ready to go. So now we just want to put it on our plate. First, of course, we always preheat our garment just for a few seconds to get out the moisture and make sure we have a nice flat surface to work on. And we're going to place our heat transfer vinyl on the shirt, lining it up to make sure it's nice and neat. And like I said, the low pressure for 6 seconds. You can hot peel the Foam HTV. And then we have a cute little three-dimensional bunny on the shirt.